Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's mod on mobile. While there isn't an official mobile version, you can still enjoy this popular sandbox game on your phone or tablet through unofficial methods. These typically involve streaming the game from a powerful computer or using a dedicated cloud gaming service. A strong, reliable internet connection is absolutely essential for a smooth and enjoyable experience, as performance can vary significantly based on your network and hardware setup. Let's explore your options. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic way to play Garry's mod without owning a high-end PC yourself. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming stream the game directly to your mobile device. You'll need a robust internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to ensure minimal lag and high-quality visuals. For the best gameplay, consider investing in a compatible mobile controller, as touch controls can be challenging for complex PC games. This method brings the full PC experience to your fingertips. Another excellent option is to stream Garry's mod directly from your own personal computer to your mobile device. Applications such as Steam Link or Moonlight allow you to connect your phone to your home PC over your local network or even the internet. Your computer must be running the game and connected to a stable network. This approach gives you complete control over your game files and modifications, offering a more personalized experience. It's like having your gaming PC in your pocket. To maximize your Garry's mod mobile experience, keep a few key tips in mind. Always use a high-speed Wi-Fi connection rather than mobile data for superior stability and lower latency. A Bluetooth controller is highly recommended for precise control, making gameplay much more enjoyable than relying solely on touch. Additionally, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings to lower levels on your computer to ensure smoother streaming performance on your mobile device. These steps will significantly enhance your fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.